Hello friends, welcome to Creative Computer Skills. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple step on how to download and install any application on your PC, your laptop, or your desktop computer. You can easily do that. Before we do that, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed so that you get notified of when I upload new video, because I'll be giving you an interesting and important videos on this particular channel. To proceed with the video for today, open your web browser and type your google.com and press your enter. Here now type Play Store and press enter. Just click on this very first one. Here now you can see the list of devices that you can actually check to install the application you need. If you so wish that you want to install it on your phone, you can actually select phone or your tab or television or Chromebook, any of these devices. Okay, here now you can just tap on your Windows and you can see the list of applications on the Windows. Mostly you have games here that you can actually select. You can tick on apps, and the moment you check this app, you discover that your Windows has actually disappeared. The window is actually activated when you click on these games. Okay, so but the alternative way for you to do that is for you to open your Microsoft Store. Once you open your Microsoft Store, you can actually see a whole lot of applications that are compatible with your laptop, your PC, or your desktop computer. Now, having opened my Microsoft stores, I can easily click on apps, and from here now I can search out for any application that I so wish to install. Let's say that I wish to install Spotify. Just type it. Spotify. Now, the moment I search for it here, you can see from the search result that it is available. I can just click on this gate, and from here now you see that the application will load and install on my PC. Let's just wait for it to actually do that, and we'll see the result of what we've done on our PC. Just hold on, you can see it's actually preparing to download, and once it's finished downloading, you will notice that it has actually installed on your PC. And so just hold on and let's see what this has to show us. One good thing about this is that ensure that your network is very strong, because once your network is not strong, it may likely take time to actually download, and that's one of the major issues concerning this. I guess because of my network, you can see it's already downloading. You can see the size of it from here, 248.4 megabyte. It will just take a little while for it to download, and after which we can see it being downloaded or being installed on our PC. You can still come to this search area and type for any software you so need. Once you just type it, you just press your enter and you see it appear once it is available on Microsoft Store. Okay, now so many applications on these Microsoft stores are paid versions, and some of them are free. You can search out for the ones that are free and install it on your PC or your laptop or your desktop. And if you actually wish to go for the paid one, you can just subscribe to it, and you can also get it all for free. Now it has finished downloading and is actually installing. Now this has finished installing. Now if you come over to search and type Spotify, you can see it from here that it has actually been installed on our PC. And so that's just a simple way you can locate any application from the Microsoft Store and install it on your laptop or your PC. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.